We show you some electronic parts from Eastern Europa as Poland, Germany, Yugoslavia. So we start with some condensators. Focus. Here is a polyester film capacitor from Eastern Germany. The brand is Coeg. You can see there is a paper sticker wrapped under the plastic. It was very commonly used in TV sets and radio sets. It is from the 70s, I believe. Here is another kind, still from Eastern Germany. This here you have a quality logo, some kind of quality control logo or quality proof. Then here you have manufacturing date. It is very often you will find manufacturing date onto Eastern components. This one is 47 nanofarads. This one, the brand is Coeg. I believe it is still Eastern Germany, made in 80. Nice resin cap on both ends. What else? An electrolytic capacitor, still Eastern Germany. The brand is Frolight and the type is Elite. TGL should be also another brand. I have lots of them. Still another Frolight one from the same period. What else? This one is from EI brand. It was made in Yugoslavia. So, from Yugoslavia, you have also the Iskra brand. It is this logo. You will see it better here. Iskra brand did also exist in Russia, but they were totally separate companies. Nice, clunky capacitor. Some resistors, I believe, from Yugoslavia also. Very common kind. You cannot guess they were made in such a country. Some more samples from Yugoslavia and EI brand. This one is not clearly identified, but you can see the farad, the microfarad. It is the Russian character for F. So it may have been made in Russia or maybe Bulgaria. Here is from very classic potentiometer, carbon track, widely used in TV sets, radio sets. One more EI brand, some mica capacitor. Still more EI. What else? This one, yet another East German Frolight. You will still see the same small triangular shaped logo. Still EI. All these components were retrieved in either TV sets or radio sets I did find in flea markets. So what else? This one is interesting. It is hard to tell, but you have some Russian characters here And in fact it is Iskra. There is also the Iskra logo, but with all the regular certification symbols. So it is. It looks quite a common part. Nothing special. Yeah. Here you have a power diode from Eastern Germany. There is another brand or quality logo here. It is also a logo you will find quite often into East German parts. The diode model is very specific to the catalog number is very specific to East Germany. Some self-inductor from a radio set, all school winding. Front plate potentiometer. There is the brand here, but it is not possible to read it. And still the same quality logo. Carbon track, a very common thing. Some small signal transformer. No brand, no model written on it. Some more Styroflex, I have lots of them. Then what else? One more Frolight capacitor. Another one, very common parts. Then you have some weird small ceramic capacitors. Always the same shape. This kind is typically Russian. Still a ceramic capacitor, very good quality parts. It may be a total capacitor, miscellaneous device. One other MKT type capacitor from Eastern Germany. There is another kind of logo here, kinda hard to see. The brand is TGL. Then what else? Some inductors from TV set. With shielding on this one. Here a power resistor, little band. Made in 80 also. No brand on this one. A very, very small Frolight brand capacitor. Some more resistors. So a common thing with Eastern made resistors is that we'll have the value written in digits, not in colors. It is quite convenient in fact. So these are still Russian type ceramic capacitors. Then this is a beautiful shaded relay, almost military quality, almost. Still it's German from RFT brand, it means Radio Funk Tonwerk. Also the TGL thing written here. You still find the manufacturing date on the one triangle quality sign. This must be a selenium rectifier. It's quite hard to tell the numbers on it. This is another kind of rectifier, maybe diode rectifier, still East German. You will almost always see this logo into East German parts. Then some strange IC from Eastern Germany. You have here a small old school transistor. The model was a common model, AC187. Here you have a manufacturer logo, some T in a circle. One more from Eastern Germany, with the F circle logo this time. Some other ones. Same stuff. Then some very small plastic transistors. You can see there is only 4 liters written on it. So next time we will see specimens of Russian electronic parts, and I have lots of Russian electronic parts. Here you are. Just one box of lots of boxes. Yes.